How to get GitHub profile link. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can get GitHub profile link. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step that you might want to do is open up your web browser and open up GitHub. So head over to github.com, and if you're not logged in into your account, simply log in. After you log in into your account, this is what it should look like in the initial page. Now tap on this icon, that is your profile icon, that is on the top right corner. Tap on that and head over to your profile. After you head over to your profile, it should look something like this. Now here you can check out your overview, your repositories, your projects, your packages, and stuff like that. Now if you scroll down, you will not actually get your link. Your link is actually on your search engine right here. Now all you need to do is copy this link, and now you can share it with your friends. Now if you head over to another page and paste that link, it will just open up your project. I mean your profile. And that is how you can get your GitHub profile link, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.